Hello again to everybody. To understand better this video, please watch my video about the blood types. Okay, so in my video about the blood types, I explained that a blood type is a classification of a blood based on the presence or absence of antibodies. Okay, an antibody is also known as immunoglobulin IgE, is a large W-shaped protein produced mainly by plasma cells that is used by the immune system to neutralize pathogens such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses. Okay. We have this in here patch drawing about this W-shaped antibody. Okay. So now I found this video. There is explaining how occur. Eventually I will leave for the curious the link in the description. So in this video it is explained that there is a person that have Rh negative. This means that on his blood cells there is no presence of these antigens, okay, but in his blood there are present stored by the memory cells, okay, antibodies. So antibodies, do you remember, are these W-shaped cells. So in the case that the Rh positive donor, okay, donate blood to an Rh negative person, okay, the memory cells, the B memory cells of the receiver, okay, will recognize the epsilon antibodies shaped cells and will analyze the presence of pathogens, viruses, etc. Okay. In the case that this memory cell, okay, will recognize some of pathogens, okay, will start war against this the other blood, okay, and will produce warriors to kill effectively everything that have the virus, the pathogen, that this memory cell is considering that was a pathogen. So okay, so when an antigen is a substance that is recognized by the immunitary system like a stranger or dangerous, potentially dangerous. Instead, if is defined immunogen, a substance that is capable to stimulate the immunitary system and tend to produce antibodies. This is an antibody against that substance, okay. Now the term antigen, it's a substantive composed by antigens and gene, but it's said that genetic. An anti-substance, something that is a stranger, okay, that is not, it's not part of this chain, okay, of proteins, etc. Now we will read a bit here, okay. So at the molecular level, an antigen is characterized by his capacity to be bind at the site of, in this place, okay. It is binding here. This is like a key, okay, slot, and if inserted correctly, this will bind, okay. Okay, so of the antigen or of this antibody, okay. So at the molecular level, an antigen is characterized by his capacity to be bind at the site of the antigen or antibody, okay. We can notice that the antibodies have the tendency to be discriminated between the molecular structures that are specific presented on the surface, okay, of the antigen, okay, as illustrated here. Now, the antigens are generally proteins or polysaccharides. These include parts. What parts? Coverings, capsules, cellular walls, flagellae. I already told you flagellae are fimdia or pili, okay, and toxins of bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. Okay, so I hope that my English was becoming worse lately because I didn't make videos. So okay, so this antibody, okay, have key slots, okay. In these key slots, okay, enter the key that the substance or I don't know, protein or okay, cell, okay, that is trying to bind on these epsilon antibodies, okay. Now, if in this key slot enter virus, okay, or bacteria, okay, that is a bad thing, okay. Why? Because we'll change the RH of the blood, okay. So if this epsilon thing bind to a virus or a bacteria, okay, telling that I'm not so bad, I can learn you to defend against I don't know, okay, will stay in the locked in the key, okay. This blood will be diverse of another person's blood that have not this bacteria or virus. Okay, so the vaccines are examples of antigen immunogenic and are given intentionally to induce immunity in the receiver. Okay, so this is not only with the vaccine that can be done, it can be done naturally by the nature. Okay, it's not because only with the vaccine happened. Yes, it's happened with the vaccine, but now because we are knowing now what is changing on the surface of the blood. Okay, so to speak, this blood is or vaccinated, okay, or otherwise in time get immunity about a virus or substance, a toxic environment. Okay, and now is binding, these epsilon cells are binding freely, opening a key slot for those bacteria, toxic things or viruses or okay. Now this blood negative, okay, have not this in these epsilon things, have not the permission to bind toward the presence. So this blood contain toxic things for this blood. Okay, so when this person receive this blood, okay, memory cells of this person, okay, remember that what these guys have is a toxic thing, and will try to kill him. Okay, now time ago I made a video about RH, and I explained how our blood and everything that we have is electric in nature. Why? Because every molecule or a cell or existing material in this world have electric charge. Now why this blood that is negative, okay, have no key slot for these viruses, okay, because yes, they will try to explain to the people that it's happening like that, but why the negative blood, that it means that have not toxic things, bacteria, etc., why this blood resist, so to speak? Because this blood fight. And why? Because we know that he fight because have memory cells that recognize the toxic thing. Okay, so why? I explained in my video long ago that even our blood, our cells, and etc. have electric charges, but how, in which way the negative blood receive his negative charge? Okay, so I believe still today that it's about hydrogen. Okay, now our plasma blood, because it's referred to the plasma, because in the plasma blood there are the memory cells, B memory cells. Okay, now plasma is water. Our blood is water. It became red because our cell blood became red because they transport iron. Okay, the oxygen in the blood will rust, okay, so to speak, in time, the iron, and so the blood will become the cell of the blood will become red. So it's finishing. Bye bye. I will make another one. Okay. Okay.